Welcome back to the channel. Today we have my favorite kind of video. Videos of me taking friends and family along on a death ride, trying to scare the shit out of them because I'm a nice person. Yeah, we'll run with that. I'm hoping to do more of these videos where I do a ride along with a friend or family member. Let me know if you like it. I'll happily do more of these. These are a blast. A lot of my friends have never been in a car that has a good amount of horsepower or experienced something like this, so their reactions are usually priceless. Well, let's get to the video. So this is your lap belt. They go together like this. All right, and then these ones come down over your chest and they clip in. I'm not going to do mine because I got to get out and give your mom your soda. And the interior of this thing is lovely, but I haven't focused on that. I've actually only focused on the mechanical side, so we're not going to die today. That's more important in my mind.
Yeah, I would like to.
Well, I hope you liked the video. I know I sure... Words. Well, I hope you liked this video. I know I enjoyed filming it, so leave a like or a comment below about if you think I should continue doing these. Well, until next time, we'll catch you later.